Hello, friends! Welcome to Creator King. Officer, I swear I didn't hit that kid. He got in the way of my invention. Please don't arrest me. My subscribers are waiting for me to upload a video. Sorry for the commotion a moment ago. Just some problems with the law. That's why we always recommend that you use the inventions with projectiles in open spaces and with care. Well, changing the subject, open the remote control car's battery compartment and add a few batteries to test that it works perfectly. Do the same with the remote control and do a quality test. Once we've made sure that everything is working, start dismantling the toy car to get rid of all of its valuable parts for this invention. First, let's remove the little metallic paper that's glued to the inside of the body and then the electronic board. With a hot object, soften the solder to remove the wires clamped around the bottom. There are too many wires. Once we've extracted the whole circuit, apply hot glue on all the colored wires and on the lonely wire at the opposite end. Don't forget the ones on the switch. Now, no matter how hard you pull on them, they won't budge. Let's help the environment and recycle some of these horrible yet practical plastic straws. Cut one in half with a pair of scissors and then cut it in half again, ending up with 1/4 of the straw. Yes, we'll only recycle the rest of that small part. Better than nothing. Let's apply some of our super glue on the end of that nut and bolt and attach the straw to it. Cut the straw even more and apply instant glue inside to attach the next object. To be absolutely sure that they'll never separate, apply more glue onto the pivot before inserting it in place. Once this piece is ready, connect it to the electrical circuit provided by our remote control police car. Melt some solder onto the connections to secure them and then get a wooden stick from which we'll cut a small piece with pliers. Glue it on the nut. Eventually, it will function as a pivot for our private security invention. That's right, we're making a lock. In addition to the metal lock, you'll need a small wooden board. Mark the holes in the lock on the wood, then drill through the holes. With the drill or the old school way, by hand, screw the parts together. It looks like a professional lock made by a renowned locksmith. Glue a wooden clothespin next to the lock and apply more glue on top. Also, put some inside the hole where our wooden pivot will go. Once you have attached the motor and screw to the lock, take 2 wooden sticks from one of your classmates' woodshop models and mark the exact distance between the start and the end of the lock. Cut the freshly marked pieces from both sticks and glue them to the lock on each side. It's looking great! I'm going to mass produce them and sell them on Amazon. I've seen them sell for thousands of bucks. Place the batteries in their box and glue it above the lock. Apply more glue in the last small space left over and attach the electronic board. Magically, make the connections that we've done so many times before. Now you'll just need to install our new electronic lock on the front door of your house or your bedroom door so that your brother won't come in and bother you in the mornings. I want to buy one of those with a fingerprint reader so that only me and no one else can enter my room, unless someone chops off my finger to get in like in the movies. But that would be too creepy. I think I'll have nightmares tonight. I'd better install several of these on all my doors. You should give me an award. I even show you guys how to keep your houses safe. Being Creator King is a tough job. But hey, stay safe, guys. The following invention will make your everyday drone more powerful and fun to use. To start, take a syringe and block the openings with glue like when you block the bathroom with your tremendous little gifts. Get your marker and make 2 dots on the syringe, side by side, and then drill them with the mini drill. Now it looks like the syringe has little eyes. We'll need this strange piece that we've used before and I still don't know its name. Could someone help me out and tell me what it is? Also, I didn't know that they came in a box. This one from France is so elegant. Peel the yellow wires from this thing and insert them into the holes we made in the syringe. Then put a lot of super glue on them to prevent them from slipping out of place. They look like 2 little insect antennae. Put more glue on one side of the syringe and stick that strange thing there. Dismantle another remote-controlled toy. Yes, I know we've messed up a lot of remote-controlled cars on this channel, but it's for the greater good. Not to mention that they were probably your brother's toys, and in my humble but super important opinion, I would say that we improved them. Once you've tested its functionality, apply super hot glue on the opposite side of the syringe to fasten the battery box. Secure it well. Now put hot glue on the electronic board and glue it between the battery box and what is possibly a transformer. Attach a small piece of tape to hold them in place. Let's make the connections between the cables. First, like Harry Potter, magically connect both green wires, followed by the white wire with the red wire. Then wrap the connections with tape. Taking advantage of the fact that we already have it here, put some more tape around the whole invention to compress it. It's looking more and more like that old junk you find among greasy and rusty parts, but I assure you that you'll soon realize what it really is. Never judge a book by its cover. Take another syringe of the same caliber as the first one and remove the support in order to get the black rubber piece, which will need to be accompanied by a friend. Ask your grandpa for his favorite cologne. The color of this one looks like the urine of a dog with severe hepatitis. And look for something to use as firepower. I will use plastic pellets. Fill the small space that's left with the pellets and close it with the black plastic piece. This way nothing will come out, of course, until we activate the spark. But first, we'll have to mount it on our powerful drone. Wait a minute, my drone is a bit advanced and I need to unfold its legs and mount the propellers. Sometimes I wish I had an ordinary one that I could set up quickly. It would save me time. Once we have everything well assembled, begin to install our little toy, taking care that it does not cover the upper sensor. Place it on the drone, making sure that it does not get in the way of the propellers. Use more tape to attach it, since I obviously won't ruin my precious drone with any type of glue. As you can see, I also avoid the lower sensor. This thing has a lot of sensors, but well, leaving my complaints aside, I present you with my new creation. Look how awesome it is. Let's test its power against a tower of fried food cans. First, get to the tower's height and then try to aim. I don't think it's an easy task. The controls of these little ships are usually very sensitive. Once we have the target in our sights, activate the fire button. See how the rubber object is projected with great force and the pellets are scattered everywhere? They will surrender at the mere sight of us. Although I have to improve my aim, how could I have missed it? I feel like a pilot of one of those large military aircrafts. I'll sell my invention to the Army for a lot of money, and maybe they'll even give me a medal. Let's check the perimeter before we proceed with the attack. All clear? Take aim, fire! The pellets barely tickled them, but the rubber piece is completely accurate. Of course, unless the structure is delicate, in which case it won't withstand even a small scratch from our attack drone. Watch it crumble from different angles. Does that count as a strike? Does anyone else like bowling? No? Thanks for watching our inventions made out of household items today. Follow my channel if you'd like to learn more about making simple yet incredible inventions. Also, click on the link to see more videos about my amazing inventions. Click on the link to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.